a walk with eyes so wide to see the world where wonders hide. In every rock, in every tree, tiny secrets wait for me. Drip, drop, splash and spin, water dances on my skin. Steam goes up, rain comes down, magic circles all around.
Whoosh goes wind, it's never still, pushing leaves past every hill. Though it hides, we feel it blow. Where it comes from, do you know?
Shiny sun up in the sky gives us light so we don't cry. But when I stand and block the glow, a shadow friend begins to show. Clink, clank, what's this I found? A magnet pulls things off the ground. It sticks to nails but not to wood. Science makes it understood. Up above, the planets spin. Each has secrets deep within. Some are hot and some are cold, all in space, so bright and bold.
I drop my ball, it hits the floor. Gravity pulls and we explore. It keeps our feet down on the ground, so we don't float or spin around.
I'm close, so close, what do you see? Tiny germs and mystery. They're so small, we need a glass to see them swimming as they pass.
Red and yellow, blue and green, colors mix to paint the scene. Rainbows shine through drops of rain.
Light plays tricks again, again.